Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2012 F-150 FX series in sterling gray. It has black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 6.5-foot box. It has a 3.5 liter V6 engine. It's an EcoBoost and a 4x4 with an automatic transmission. It also has the FX4 luxury series, which includes power pedals, power sliding windows, leather seats that are powered, heated and cooled, and it's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Speaker on the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar and also has memory for 2 driving positions. The lighting controls are located here. You have power pedals, and you also have a tilt and telescoping steering wheel. With the aid of your running board, it's easy to get in, and on the face of your steering wheel is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and you also have a menu that you can toggle through. So we'll just get in there, and gauge mode, trip A and B, fuel economy, truck apps, settings, information, and these all have sub-menus. In the center there's a little cubby up there to put items, and you also have your media choices of AM, FM, as well as satellite radio and a CD player. There's your traction control and hazard lights. There's the CD player, and then you have your volume and tuner with your auxiliary line as well, and you have your fan, front defrost, as well as rear, and you also have AC and max AC. And then you have your heated and cooled seats for driver and passenger, as well as your dual climate control. You have a cigarette lighter, a little bit old school, auxiliary line in and USB, and then you've got more storage in your little cubby area, an automatic select shifter, and you have tow haul. When you press this, you'll see it beside the little gas fuel cap, fuel symbol. Couple of cup holders, and your armrest opens up. You just push the button. You've got a nice little bin here. You can take that out. Lots of room down below, plus there's a 12 volt in there, so if you want to power up or connect to devices. Off to the side, a little cubby and another 12 volt. You also have a glove compartment. Up above, you have an auto dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener. There's your lighting controls. That powers the sliding back window, and you have not 1, but 2 sunglass holders. And there's a grab handle on the passenger side, making it easier to get in. 18-inch wheels, running boards, body color door handle, and keyless entry keypad. Driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The body colored handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. You also have your backup sensors on the bumper, a 4- and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and locking spare tire. And then when we open up the tailgate, you've got this nice roomy box. It's 6.5 feet. It's got tie downs in all 4 corners, and it also has a spray-in liner. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. In the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. So you just lift the seat with your hand, and it goes up in the upright position, and then to bring it down, pull the clip, and down it goes. You have anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. And on the floor you have this nice all-weather mat that makes for easy cleanup. There's slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center a couple of cup holders, your vents, 12 volt and 110 outlet. There's a grab handle in the body, hooks and lighting up above, and in the back access to a power sliding window. Bumper, 6.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.